Glad to see you again. We've successfully crafted our first bar chart and are confident it would serve us well during a presentation. After all, we've done all the necessary steps to ensure it is as professional as possible. On top of that, your audience can easily tell the most widespread brand for used cars is Volkswagen. There is a total of 875 units from Volkswagen, followed closely by Mercedes with 820. Mitsubishi was the least popular, with approximately a third of the listings of the frontrunner. Excellent. We've achieved what we set out to do: tell the story of this dataset with the aid of a bar chart. There isn't much left for us to comment on this visualization. That is one of the greatest strengths of a bar chart. It is extremely intuitive for all users, regardless of their professional background. But not all bar charts are created equal, so it's worth taking a second to explore what can go wrong when making a bar chart. Let's look at the following chart depicting the average house prices in pounds for the years 1998 and 1999. Visually, it appears from the year 1998 to 1999 there has been a threefold increase in house prices. However, there is a critical error in this graph. The y-axis doesn't start from the minimum number for price, or 0. If we show the same information, but this time with a scale from 0, it tells quite a different story. There is an increase in house prices. However, it isn't as drastic as the first chart would have us believe. By altering the scale, we can easily manipulate a graph to misrepresent information. Of course, this can happen by accident. That's why it's always important to make sure our charts aren't misleading. Such misinformation can also be intentional. This is especially common in political races, where candidates aren't shy to mislead the audience. As a side note, we can, of course, present the first chart with an altered axis scale, if we wanted to show the exact increase in dollar price between the 2 years. However, we need to communicate clearly that this was our intention. Be mindful that even then, it's impossible to be sure that our audience interpreted the information as we intended. All right, tremendous job, everyone. We've reached the end of our first chapter on data visualization, and we're already able to create as well as style charts in a professional manner. Next up are pie charts. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.